Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In previous class, we started exercise 9.3. In that, we completed 10 problems. Now, today class will continue with the remaining problems. In exercise 9.3, problem number 11. See, evaluate. This symbol is summation. Already we discussed this meaning, this symbol, how we read summation. K equal to 1 to 11. K equal to 1 to 11. 2 plus 3 power k. This value how much they are asking. So that purpose here. Summation k equal to 1 to 11. 2 plus 3 power k. So now separately make this summation. K equal to 1 to 11. 2 plus summation k equal to 1 to 11 3 power k. Next step. How many times addition we have to make? 11 times. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus up to 11. So 2 into 11 I am writing. Summation k equal to 1 to 11 3 power k. So this one I am taking as a equation 1. Why? Because this value we have to find now. We have to find this value. Therefore, summation k equal to 1 to 11 3 power k. That is nothing but 1 time, first time 1 plus next time 2, next time 3 plus 1 3 power 11. Here 3 square, 3 cube, so on in geometric progression satisfied here. Therefore, a equal to 3, common ratio 3 square by 3 also 3. We need sum. This is summation is nothing but sum we need. Therefore, SN formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So now, what we need up to 11 terms is there. So 11 is equal to 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 3 power n value is 11. So now, S11 is equal to 3 by 2, 3 by 2. 3 power 11 minus 1. Substitute in equation 1. Therefore, summation k equal to 1 to 11. 2 plus 3 power k is equal to 2 into 11. 2 into 11 is 22 plus this value. This value how much you got? 3 by 2 into 3 power k minus 3 power 11 minus 1. So this is the value. Evaluate this, just a simplification we have to make here. Next, problem number 12. The sum of first three numbers, first three of GP. Sum of first three terms of GP is 39 by 10 and their product is 1. Find the common ratio and terms. Already one example problem we discussed the same method we have to do here. Let A by R, A R B, 3 terms of geometric progression by given condition, by given sum. A by R plus AR is equal to 39 by 10 and the product A by R into AR is equal to 1. R get cancelled. A cube is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. This 1 substitute in 1 equation 1 implies 1 by r plus 1 plus R is equal to 39 by 10. So now make the simplification this one. Take the LCM is R, 1 plus R square. The star multiplication is equal to 39 by 10. Cross multiply 10 plus 10R plus 10R square is equal to 39R. So make the simplification this one. 10R square plus 10R minus 39R plus 10 is equal to 0. This angle setting left side, positive will become negative. Next, 10R square minus 29R plus 10 is equal to 0. So now you have to make the factorization. Otherwise, you can use the formula also. Direct make the factorization here. 10R square minus 25R minus 4R plus 10 is equal to 0. So now, what we can make common in this first two? 5R take common, 2R minus 5 you will get, minus 2 take common, 2R minus 5 is equal to 0. So next step, you can take the common 2R minus 5. 2R minus 5 into 5R minus 2 is equal to 0. R is equal to 5 by 2. R 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So common ratio how much? 5 by 2 R 2 by 5. The three terms, the terms are A by R. A by R means 1 by 5 by 2, that is 2 by 5. And A is 1. AR 1 into 5 by 2 is 5 by 2. If you are substituting 2 by 5, here 5 by 2 will get here 2 by 5. So therefore the number, the terms are 2 by 5, 1, 5 by 2. So these are the three terms. Next, problem number 13. How many terms of GP are needed to give the sum is 120? Sum of 10 terms they given 120. You have to find the n value here. So first of all, I write given GP. Given GP is 3, 3 square, 3 cube and so on. Here first term is 3. Common ratio is 3 square by 3, that is also 3. And Sn is equal to 120. Sum of n terms I am taking 120. That n value, how many terms we need to add to get the 120. So Sn formula A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 is equal to 120. A value we know, A value is 3. R value is 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 120. 3 power n divided by 2 is equal to 120. Here 3 ones are 3, 4 12, 0. Next, 3 power n minus 1 is equal to send left right side 2 into 40 unit. 2 into 40 is 80. 3 power n is equal to 81. If you send right side, it will become positive. 80 plus 1 is 81. That implies 3 power n is equal to 3 power 3 square is 9. So 3 power 4 is 81. That implies n is equal to 4. So 4 terms we need to get sum is 120. How many number of terms we need? Here 4 terms we need. Next, Problem number 14. The sum of first three terms of GP is 16 and the sum of the next three terms. First three terms sum is 16. Next three terms sum is 128. Determine the first term and the common ratio and the sum of n terms. Three we have to find here. So first I will write the GP. Let geometric progression is AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5 and so on. So first three terms addition by given condition. First three terms addition. What are the first three terms here? AR square. Addition is 16. Addition is 16. What we can take common here? A into 1 plus R square is equal to 16. A taking common. Next one. Sum of the next three terms. First three completed. Next three what is that? AR cube, AR power 4, AR power 5 is equal to 128. So what we can take common here? Here AR cube we can take common. AR cube is equal to 1 plus R square is equal to 128. R cube common taking. Cube gone means 1 will be there here, 2 R will be there. So now I take this one as equation 1, equation number 2. I'll make the division 2 divided by 1 is equal to implies. So what is the 2 here? Equation number 2, AR cube 1 plus R square divided by A into 1 plus R square is equal to 128 by 16. So now make the cancellation here. A get cancelled. 1 plus R square get cancelled. 16 table cancellation. 16 8. Next, R cube is equal to how much you get? 8, that is nothing but 2. R is equal to 2. So common ratio, how much we got? Common ratio is 2. Substitute in equation 1. So one equation if we are taking A into 1 plus 2 square is 4, that is 16, equal to 16. So now make the simplification of this one. A is equal to 16 by 7. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4 is 7. Send right side, it will become division 16 by 7. So A value, R value completed. First term and common ratio also completed. Next Sn, sum of find. Sn is equal to A into R power 10 minus 1 by R minus 1. A value is 16 by 7 into 2 power 10 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 16 by 7 into 2 power 10 minus 1. Sn is equal to value we got. So common ratio, first term and sum of n terms in GP. Next, problem number 15. Given GP with A is equal. First of all, I write given first term is 729 and seventh term A7 is equal to 64. Determine the S7. S7 means sum of the first 7 terms we have to find. So first of all, I will find the common ratio. Common ratio, if you know, already first term we know. So directly we can substitute in the formula. But common ratio, how will we find here? So A7 is equal to, you can write AR power 7 minus 1 is equal to 64. A is 729 to R power 6 is equal to 64. So this one I'll write as a AR power 6 is equal to 64 by 729. Set the denominator. Next, 2 power 6 is 64. 3 power 6 is 729. So we can write 2 by 3 whole power 6. So now compare here. R is equal to 2 by 3. R is equal to 2 by 3. Common ratio we know. So S is 7. SL formula writing first. A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. Why? Because R value 2 by 3 is a positive getting purpose only I am making here 1 minus R formula I am using. So now A is, so what will be? S is 7 n value is 7. A is 729 into 1 minus 2 by 3 power 7 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. 729 into 1 minus 2 power 7 by 3 power 7 whole divided by, if you take the LCM here, to take the LCM 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Otherwise you can write here 3 minus 2 also. Next step we will do the simplification. If you multiply here, this one reverse will get 729 into 3. Take the LCM here. 3 power 7. 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7. Whole divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. You observe here 3 power 6 is 729. 729 into 3, 3 power 7. So 3 power 7, 3 power 7 get cancelled. S7 is equal to 3 power 7 minus 2 power 7. So that is the sum of the first 7 terms. Sum of the first 7 terms. Otherwise simplification also you can make here. 2157 minus 2 power 7 is 128. 128, if you make the simplification of this one, 2059. 2059 is the S7. Just a simplification. Next, problem number 16. Find the GP for which sum of the first two terms is minus 4. So I'll write here first of all given sum of the two terms is equal to minus 4. S2 is equal to minus 4. That is equal to how much you can write formula A into 1 minus R square by 1 minus R. And one more also they given. What they given? Fifth term is 4 times of third term. Fifth term A5 is 4 times of third term. So now substitute, simplify this one. A5 means AR power 4 into AR power 2. Here A get cancelled, R square get cancelled. R is equal to plus R minus 2. R is equal to plus R minus 2. So for R is equal to 2 1, R is equal to minus. This one take as an equation 1 implies minus 4 is equal to A into 1 minus 2 square divided by 1 minus 2. So make the simplification of this one. Here minus 1 you will get minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 is equal to A into 1 minus 4. A is equal to minus 4 by 3. A is equal to minus 4 by 3. Why? Because this negative side to left side will become division. Next, 1 implies here also minus 4 is equal to A into 1 minus of minus 2 whole square divided by 1 minus of minus 2. So now how much you will get here? Minus 4 into 3. To send this side, plus 3 into minus 4, minus 12 is equal to a into minus 3. 1 minus 2 square, minus 2 square is 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So cancellation, minus minus get cancel, 3 4s are, a is equal to 4. So GP, either this one or that one. GP is first term, second term purpose, multiply with R, multiply with R how much here? 2. So minus 8 by 3, minus 16 by 3, and so on you will get. Multiply 2 to 2. Next this side, GP is 4. Multiply with minus 2, 16 and minus 32 and so on. Either this one or that one. Why? Because common ratios is 2 we got. R is equal to 2, R is equal to minus 2. R is equal to 2 if you are taking, this is a GP. R is equal to minus if you are taking, that is another GP. Next step, problem number 17. If 4th, 10th, 16th terms of GP are x, y, z. Prove that x, y, z are in GP. So I will write first of all, given A4, that is AR power 3 is equal to x, A10, AR power 9 is equal to y, A16, AR power 15 is equal to z. Take as a 1, 2 and 3. So now I make the simplification of this one. 2 by 1 implies AR power 9 by AR cube is equal to y by x. AA cancel. 3 r's cancel means 6 you will get. AR power 6 is equal to y by x. Next step. 3 by 2 I will make AR power 15 by AR power 9 is equal to z by y. 9 got means remaining will be 6. AR power 6 is equal to z by y. So the equation number 4, equation number 5. From 4 and 5 implies left side equal means right side also equal. So here common ratio getting common ratio, otherwise you can make right the simplification also. Y square is equal to xz. This condition satisfied means x, y, z are in geometric progression. Middle term square is equal to product of the first and last term is there. One problem also we discussed. B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. That condition satisfied, so that's why x, y, z are in GP. Next, problem number 18. Find the sum to n terms of sequence 8, 88, 888. One example problem also we discussed 7, 77, 777 and so on. So similar way this one also. First of all, given sequence 8, 88, 888, so on, not in geometric progression. Why? Because first one 11 you will get, next ratio is 111 you will get. So that's why it is not in GP. But we can change into geometric progression. So Sn is equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 1 n terms, sum of n terms. So take the first 8 common, 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1 n terms, multiply with 9 and divided with 9. So 9, 99, 999, so on n terms. So next step, 8 by 9, 10 minus 1 we can write, 10 square minus 1, 10 cube minus 1 plus 1 n terms. so on n terms. So now 8 by 9, 10 plus 10 square, 10 cube plus 1, n terms, minus take common 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, n terms. So now I use the SN formula here. Common ratio is 10, first term is 10. So 8 into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 minus n. Why? Because 1's up to n. So 1 plus up to so on n if you are making up to n ones making n. So now make the simplification. 8 by 9, 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. Just multiply inside. 8 into 10, 80, 9 into 9, 81, 10 power n minus 1 minus 8 by 9 into 10. Therefore, sum of n terms of the sequence 8, 88, 888 and so on is this value. Next step, problem number 19. Find the sum of the product of corresponding terms of the sequences. So, sum we need required sum is equal to which sum we need? Product of the sums corresponding terms. So, corresponding terms means first term multiplication plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 2, 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 by 2. So this sum we need to find here. So I will make the cancellation. 16. So how much is it? All terms I am converting into 4 into 64 we can write plus 2 into 64 plus 64 plus 64 writing how much it will possible? 64 into 1 by 2 plus 64 into 1 by 2 square 4 multiplied divided. So now I make here common 64 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square. Now 4, 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square in geometric progression. Geometric progression. So A is equal to how much? 4. R is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Sum we need. So how many terms is there? 10 is equal to 5. So I will find here Sn formula. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. S5 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2 for n. N is 5. So 1 minus 1 by 2. So now we have to make a simplification of this one. 1 minus 1 by 32 divided by 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So how much you get here? So send upside 8 into 32 minus 1 by 32. 4 the answer 31 by 4. 31 by 4. Which value is one? This sum. Therefore, sum is equal to 64 into 31 by 4. 416 then. 16 into 31. 16 into 31 is 496. 16 into 13 is 496. So next problem number 20. Problem number 20. Show that the product of corresponding terms of sequences, corresponding terms product sequence forms a GT and find the common ratio. So here you have to find here direct I am writing. We have to show that or prove that A, capital A, AR, AR, AR square, capital AR square, and so on. AR power n minus 1, AR power n minus 1 in geometric progression. We have corresponding product of sequences, terms of sequences. This one we have to show. So I'll find here second term divided by first term. What is the second term? AR, capital AR divided by A, capital A. A cancel, RA. Next, third term and second term division. AR square, AR. See, ratio same getting. Therefore, above sequence forms GP with common ratio. How much common ratio? R into capital R. So by this problem, today class will completed. Remaining problems will discuss in next class. Thank you.